House Chontay is a residential concept that blends perfectly with the natural landscape of Peru. Located in the southeastern countryside of Lima, the building is designed to blend in with its environment through the use of local materials such as stone, wood, and clay. The design approach is not only aesthetic, but also reflects a philosophy of life that values the close relationship between humans and their natural surroundings. The composition of the house consists of two building masses separated by an open garden, creating a natural transition between private and social spaces. With an area of 68 square meters, the main zones that include the living room, dining room and kitchen are designed without partitions to maximize natural light and airflow. Large openings on the facade strengthen the relationship with the surrounding landscape, giving the impression of a unity between the interior and exterior. Each element is arranged in such a way as to create a comfortable and functional atmosphere. More than just a visual appearance, the project offers an eco-friendly approach by applying traditional construction techniques and the use of natural materials. The extended roof protects the interior from excessive heat, while the strategic layout allows for effective cross-ventilation, reducing the dependence on artificial cooling. Sustainability is a key focus, creating a residence that is efficient and in harmony with the surrounding ecosystem. For architecture lovers, House Chontay provides inspiration on how design can grow from its natural context, rather than simply standing on top of it. The combination of organic materials, open spaces, and ecological principles creates a living experience that is more than just functional. It is a statement on how humans should live in harmony with their environment.